Do you ever feel like you're living a life that's not quite yours? Like you're ticking boxes, but still feeling empty? The Way of the Superior Man by David Deida isn't just a book. It's a spiritual roadmap for men who want to live with purpose, power, and heart. In this video, we'll break down the book's 8 key parts and 51 life-shaping lessons in a way that's easy to understand and apply. Let's dive in. Part 1. A Man's Way. This part opens with a wake-up call. Your life will never be perfectly settled. If you're waiting for everything to align before pursuing your dreams, you'll wait forever. Deida challenges men to live at their edge, that uncomfortable space where growth happens. Your purpose isn't something to push aside for comfort or relationships. It must come first. If you don't know your purpose, then finding it becomes your mission. He warns us not to drown in daily tasks. Always stay connected to your core purpose. A superior man chooses growth over comfort, purpose over pleasure. Part 2. Dealing with women. Women often express emotion, not logic. That doesn't mean they're irrational. It means they want to be felt, not fixed. Rather than complimenting her achievements alone, learn to appreciate her essence, her radiance, her heart. And when her emotions seem chaotic, don't resist or argue. Stay present. The feminine tests you to feel your depth and stability. Don't fix her. Feel her. Part 3. Polarity and energy. Masculine and feminine energy are like magnetic poles. The stronger the difference, the deeper the attraction. A woman rooted in her feminine wants to feel your grounded presence and clear direction. When you become too similar, the energy flattens and passion fades. Polarity is what creates electricity between partners. Don't neuter your masculinity to please. Strength creates spark. Part 4. What women really want. Women often test your emotional strength, especially through complaints or drama. These are not attacks, but invitations to stay present. She doesn't want your perfection. She wants to feel your depth. That means being authentic, stable, and emotionally open. Not performing strength, but embodying it. Her heart opens when she feels your unwavering presence. Part 5. Your dark side. Let's talk about the part of you that you might be hiding. Your desires, your hunger, your drive. These aren't shameful. They're fuel. Deida says don't suppress this darkness. Learn to ride it. Women are drawn to men who've made peace with their primal energy. You don't have to act on every impulse, but you must integrate that energy. The dark side isn't evil. It's powerful when tamed. Part 6. Feminine attractiveness. You'll encounter feminine energy everywhere. In art, music, nature, and women. A superior man doesn't become addicted to it, but learns from it. When you feel desire for beauty or sensuality, don't suppress it. Observe it. What does it teach you about yourself? That's where growth lies. Perspective shift. Desire is a mirror. What you chase tells you who you are. Part 7. Body practices. Your body holds your energy, your emotions, and your attention. Deida emphasizes breath work, posture, and sexual mastery as tools to stay grounded. Learning to control ejaculation, for instance, isn't about celibacy. It's about cultivating life force. When your body is stable, your mind follows. Practice tip: breathe deeper, move slower, own your space. Part 8. Yoga of intimacy. In the final part, Deida elevates intimacy to a spiritual practice. Sex isn't just for pleasure. It's a path to dissolve ego and touch the divine. True intimacy helps both partners rise to higher consciousness. The goal isn't orgasm. It's openness, devotion, and energetic union. Spiritual reminder: sacred intimacy isn't about taking. It's about giving yourself fully. The Way of the Superior Man doesn't give rules. It gives reflection. It's a challenge to drop the masks, face your fears, and live as the deepest version of yourself. Which part of the book resonated with you the most? Share in the comments below. And if you found value in this summary, hit like, subscribe, and explore our playlist on masculine growth and mindset.